हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल पाइथनजी। आज हम लोग स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं हाउ टू मेक अ हॉरिजेंटल बार ग्राफ यूजिंग पाइप्लॉट इन स्पाइडर। सो लेट्स बिगिन। आज हम लोग बहुत ही सिंपल वे में सीख जाएंगे कि हाउ टू मेक अ हॉरिजेंटल बार ग्राफ। सो ये बार ग्राफ रिलेटेड है ईयर एंड स्कूल एवरेज से और इसका टाइटल है yearwise स्कूल एवरेज। सो वी हैव टू इम्पोर्ट फर्स्टली matplotlib.pyplot as plt, then import pandas as pd. We have to make a list named year and school average, which is year is equal to bracket 2010, 11, 12 and 13, then school average. We have to make data frame. df1 is equal to pd.data frame. Remember, d should be capital and f should be capital in data frame. Then we have to print this data frame named df1. To make the bar graph, horizontal bar graph, we use bar edge. I again mention it, we use bar edge. So our next code is plt.barh bracket df1.year comma df1.school average. And if you want to put colors in your bar like blue, green, red, yellow, orange, something to look very beautiful, your bar graph look different and very impressive, we use color. Color is equal to bracket in which is written in plt.barline itself. Then to put title, we use plt.title, which I already mentioned. The title of our bar is yearwise school average. So to give title, we use plt.title, and to provide x labels and y labels in a bar, we use plt.xlabel and plt.ylabel. So we provide x label year and y label school average. And to show this bar graph, we used to write plt.show. So this is all about a horizontal bar graph code. Let's run it. We have to go here, click on run file, then we have to go to plots. You can see this bar graph. You should increase the size of bar graph like this. See. Year by school average, you can see title here, you can see X label here, and you can see Y label here. You can see colorful bars that we used blue, green, red and yellow. So थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. लाइक, कमेंट, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब. मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में जल्द ही. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय.